Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to know if someone is online on Instagram. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. So first, we're going to open the Instagram application. Once you've opened, all you have to do is to head to the messages by tapping on the messenger icon on the top right corner of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, all you have to do is to select the conversation of the person that you'd like to know if they're online. For this one, I'll just choose this account. And once you've tapped on it, you will see the conversation that you have with that person. And personal accounts, if their activity status is on, you will see an online indication right there on their video call icon. There will be a green dot there. You'll see if they're online. But for my account, I'm using a business account. That is why I cannot see it. And if you have the same situation as me, there is another way to check whether that person is online or if their activity status is off. You can also use this way. So all you have to do is to type in the message and tap on send. So basically, it's just sending them a message, and if you see that indication seen just now, that means that person is online. But if it doesn't indicate seen just now, they're not. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.